The great thing about Edpuzzle is that you can actually get great data to inform your instruction. So you will go to my classes right here up the right. Once you're in that tab, this will appear. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and pick a specific period you would like to look at. I'm going to show all of my assignments that students have completed. And let's just look at this particular lesson here. Notice here that the students that did not complete the notes are at the top. And for those students that are in yellow, it's because they didn't watch the entire lesson. They only watched, and it'll tell you right there the percentage. Also, it tells you when was the last time that they watched that video, and it will give you their score. Now, if you click on the student, let's just say this kid right here, we can see their own data right here. It shows you how many times they watched that section. And then if you see more than one, that means that they actually went back and rewatched those um, sections of your lesson. So it's a pretty great way to let you know what students are doing. And then it'll let you know their answers and their own particular data. So it's really great to see it this way by student. If you're trying to address a specific misconception, let's go back to the notes. You can actually look at the questions, and anything that is in the red, that means that less than 50% of your students understood how to do these questions. So you might want to look at those questions. And when you click on it, I know I did that quick. So let's just say we wanted to look at this right here. I want more details on that specific question. You can see which students selected this option, which were the students that got it correct, and those that are saying that they don't understand yet. So this is another way to look at the data, and I think this one is pretty cool just because it gives you an overall understanding of how students did for that one, for that particular question, or what the misconceptions are. Another piece of data that you can obtain from here is going to the gradebook. When you go to the gradebook, it'll automatically populate based on your date range right here. You can always change it, just click on it, and then I just come back all the way to the beginning of the year because that's when I started using Edpuzzle. And then here I can see that this student has done every single lesson. My videos are 15 minutes each, and they've added to 7 hours of instruction. I know hours of instruction is nothing compared to what we would be doing in a regular classroom, but distance learning, here we go. And here you can see the number of minutes that students have logged in and what they've completed and their percentages. So just this gives you an overall understanding. If you see that a student is particularly struggling with everything, then you can just also select from here and it'll take you to their data. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.